Today's video is on the Bunker Hill wireless security alert system. I call it the driveway alarm. I bought it at Harbor Freight. Wasn't much. Very inexpensive. Operates on batteries. The batteries will last some time. Says sensor range 30 to 40 feet. It's every bit of 40 and more. Radio range 400 feet. The wife, a new driveway alarm. Our batteries are apparently dead in ours. So I'm going down here to change my driveway alarm. I probably just needed to change batteries in it. Since we bought a new one, I'll probably just change out the whole thing. Did you spot it yet? There's a limb in the way that needs to go. Make sure it ain't full of ants. I don't remember gluing that, but I guess I did. It looks like the plastic is all sun bleached anyway. Probably was a good idea to buy a new one, no more than they cost. They're not that expensive. I'll just bring the new one down here and chuck this one. But I'll give you a demonstration on how it works when I hook up the new one. Okay, this device here is what detects who's coming up the driveway. It's got an infrared light like a remote control flashing. You take this device in your house. See, that's down there by the driveway. Turn it on. Set your alarm up there. Somebody comes up the driveway. See the motion it detects in my hand? It has two different volumes. You can make it loud or quiet. I'm detecting myself now. Okay, this sensor part, we bought this driveway alarm at Harbor Freight the other day, and it wasn't much. It was a coupon, I think it was $9 or $10, but it's well worth it in my book to know when somebody came up my driveway. We've had more than one share of people trespassing here, coming up looking to steal something. And it gives you a little advantage. Of course, a security camera on the wall up there helps a whole lot. But if that camera up there on the wall don't pick them up, this thing down here will. If you need a driveway alarm, oh, another thing I wanted to mention. The old one that I took, this is the new one. The old one that I took out a while ago works on the same frequency. So I put the alarm system from the old one in the basement in case she's downstairs doing laundry or something and somebody comes, she'll know somebody's outside or me. Now that alarm that sensor is supposed to be weatherproof, and you can just supposed to just hang it, but I got mine disguised, and hid in a little plastic electric outlet box that I had in the tool shop. Now if the alarm was on in there, it would be going off right now. You see the light flashing. So one thing that'll set it off is a squirrel hopping around out here, birds flying around will set it off, and a limb blowing back and forth in front of it will sure give it fits too. But it'll even detect all the way across when my neighbor comes in sometimes. It's got quite a range on it. When somebody's driving up the driveway here, you can't even see the alarm for all the bushes and limbs. Unless you're looking right there, you won't see it. So when you come to my house, be prepared to be told on by the Harbor Freight alarm. I need to get down here and trim on these cotton picking bushes. Anyway, got that little project done for today. The Harbor Freight alarm, driveway alarm, is installed. The biggest problem is the batteries. Now they'll last 6 months or probably longer. The battery in that one down there is one of them little square 9-volt batteries, like in a smoke detector. C-cell batteries goes in that other chirping thing in the house. My old alarm, which works on the same frequency, I put it on that pole over there, and when I walk back and forth between here, anywhere in this area, it sets it off. So at night, if anybody comes around the side of our house, we'll know it. Give me time to get old Betsy loaded up and ready for bear. Because we're not only protected by an alarm system, we're protected here by Smith & Wesson.